Hello, in this video we'll show you how to import data from Google Sheets into Shopify using Altera. Altera is a Shopify app that's compatible with Matrixify that supports additional features and data types. To get started, we'll go to Google Sheets and we need to create a URL that we can access the data from. So we'll go over to the File menu, click on Share, and choose Publish to Web. Here we want to publish the entire document, and we'll choose as comma separated values or a CSV, and then click on the Publish button. This will give us a URL like this that we can use in Altera to import the data. So we'll copy that URL, go over to Altera, and we'll choose the Import from URL or FTP here. And we already have it pasted in, but we'll paste in the URL and then click Download. What the app will do now is retrieve that file and analyze it. At this point, it wasn't able to determine automatically that it was a products file. All we need to do is simply select products here. The app will analyze it, determine that we have 3 columns that match correctly. And then the next thing we want to do is have this run on a schedule, so we can enable the run job on a schedule option. And then for the repeat, we can go down and have it run, say, every hour. Now all we need to do is click Start Import, and the app will download the file from Google Sheets, import it, and you can preview the results here. Now, let's see, preview the results here. Now if we want to change something here, so for example, if we want to call this, the hidden snowboard V2, we could make that save. Sometimes when you make the saves in Google Sheets, you want to give it just a second for the published version to update. But once we have that with the hidden snowboard V2, we can go back here and we'll open up hidden snowboard here, and we'll see that it's showing the old title. But then we can just click Run Again, and this will do a manual job in addition to the next schedule time. And we'll see the app runs through here. And then if we go back here and reload the page, we'll see that the title has been updated to V2. You can also add other fields as you're going by. So here we see the vendor is set to snowboard vendor. What we could do here is add a vendor field, put it to Altera, maybe take away the V2. Again, save this, make sure it's saving, give it just a few seconds to sync. And then if we go back here and we click on Run Again, the app will do another run of the job, and once that gets updated, we can go here, reload, and we see that the title has been reverted to without the V2, but the vendor has now been updated to Altera. One last thing here is every time the job runs, we'll see a new job run here at the bottom, and here we can see the scheduled starts and then the 2 manual starts that we did. You see the information for the source file here, and if we want to look at a previous run, we can just select that from the list, and then we can download the original source file that was used for that import. And that's all there is to it. That's a quick way to import data from Google Sheets into Shopify using Altera, and you can run it on a schedule and or manually if you want. You can find Altera on the Shopify App Store, and if you have any other questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching.